Right. This is the uppercase letter A. The letter A makes the A sound, like in the word apple.
Which one has the letter A? Tap it.
A.
Great job! Which one has the letter C? Tap it.
C.
Awesome! Put the hat with the letter A on the penguin. Ah, cool beans! Put the egg with the letter T in the pan. Keep it up! Put the hat with the letter A on the hippo. Ah, keep up the good work. Put the frog with the letter M on the mushroom. Nice! Trace the uppercase letter A. Great! You traced the letter A. Give the ram the hay with the letter A. Ah, ah. Good job! Put the ice cream with the letter T on the cone. Good thinking! Put the egg with the letter A in the pan. Ah, good work! Put the frog with the letter M on the mushroom. Great! Give the letter A to Olo. Ah. 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 Awesome! You gave the letter A to Olo. Give the letter C to Olo. Give the letter C to Olo. Awesome! You gave the letter C to Olo. Trace the uppercase letter A. Great! You traced the letter A, all the bubbles with the letter B.
B. B. B.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter B. Pop all the bubbles with the letter S.
S. S. S.
Great! You popped the bubbles with the letter S. Can you find the letter B? Tap them all.
B, 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 V, B, 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 B.
Nice work! You found them! Can you find the letter P? Tap them all. Great job! Can you find the letter B?
B,
Tap them all.
B, 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 B,
Oop!
B.
You did it! You found them! Can you find the letter C? Tap them all.
V,
Awesome! Trace the uppercase letter B. Great! You traced the letter B. Feed the letter B to Olo.
B,
Yay! You fed the letter B to Olo. Feed the letter B to Olo. Oops! That's not. Yay! You fed the letter B to Olo. Feed the letter B to Olo.
B,
Yay! You fed the letter B to Olo. Feed the letter S to Olo. S. Yay! You fed the letter S to Olo. Feed the letter S to Olo. S. Yay! You fed the letter S to Olo. Feed the letter S to Olo. S. Yay! You fed the letter S to Olo. Which one has the letter B? Tap it.
B,
Good job! Which one has the letter P? Tap it.
P,
Good thinking! Which one has the letter B? Tap it.
N,
Oops!
B,
Good work! Which one has the letter C? Tap it.
M, C,
Which one has?
C.
Great! Trace the uppercase letter B. Great! You traced the letter B.
This is the uppercase letter B. The letter B makes the B sound, like in the word ball.
Which one has the letter B? Tap it.
B.
Nice work. Which one has the letter S? Tap it.
S.
Super! Give the rat the cheese with the letter B.
B.
Super duper! Give the rat the cheese with the letter P. Sweet! Give the ball with the letter B to the seal.
B.
That's right. Put the frog with the letter C on the mushroom. K. Yay! Trace the uppercase letter B. Great! You traced the letter